Premeditated scheme, introduce a drug called crack to us ghetto teens. Got along for raw niggas now, playin' what it be like. When niggas see they got us bleeding with 3 strikes. Can't seem to focus, hopeless with violent thoughts. I wrote this, got these devils petrified, hiding from my hocus pocus. And so I learned to earn my currency in overtime. Affiliated, clearly click a military mind. May God forgive us though we dwell inside of paradise. Thugged out, drug dealers from the womb to the block. My live mind got me surviving 5 rounds. My 45 got me fortified with 9 rounds. When shit thick, we block hits. When my Glock stick, all hell, I don't bail, rap, the apocalypse. Forever ghetto necessary, picture food stamps. Outlaw thugs, niggas never left the boot camp. Going through hard times, ghetto child of mine. I wonder if you have to suffer for your father's crimes. To be honest, it's a hard road. Just keep your faith in God, knowing you'll be scarred, though. Look at him walking and talking to little child with my eyes and mouth. Father, watch over little seeds, help me guide them out. Had to change my whole lifestyle. Married my baby's mama, made her my wife now.